Gotta get a drink of water. I'll be right back. Plague, you pig!
You have one new message.
Move, please, so I can check my voicemail. Don't recognize this number. Oh no! Now we're late! Time to transform, Plague! Woohoo! Yeah! Hey, everybody!
They're unveiling Ladybug and Cat Noir sculptures today. I totally spaced. Me too. You never mentioned going to the unveiling before.
I'm not. I am. I forgot.
Listen, about Adrien's cell phone, what if we go right after?
If we wait after the ceremony, Adrien's fencing training will be over, and he'll have his phone back by then.
Shoot, I gotta cover this event for the Lady Blog. I'm sorry, Marinette.
Don't sweat it. I can manage. I think.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Cool. Good luck and stay out of trouble. And don't improv!
Isn't Ladybug supposed to be at the unveiling?
Yes, but Marinette needs to be at the school first.
But it is a ceremony in your honor.
And it's my honor that's at stake right now. I'll be in and out of there in 5 minutes. We can be at the ceremony in no time.
Excuse me, Cat Noir, but Ladybug's not here.
Don't worry about Ladybug. I'm sure she'll be here any minute. I can handle this situation alone for now. I'm the one in charge anyway, you know.
It's just that I wanted to ask her to autograph this photo. She's amazing. She's so brave and smart, the way she always saves everyone.
Perhaps the ceremony should commence. It might bring her here faster.
Please, just 1 minute more, Mayor Bourgeois. She's going to come. I can feel it.
In there. Oh, boy.
Which one's his?
If you call him, you'll make his phone ring.
Nice, Tiki.
It's only proper for Paris to pay homage to those who protect us from evil. Ladybug and Cat Noir.
Can I get some photos for the Ladybug?
Hurry, they're finishing up.
Here it is. Ah, it's locked.
Ta-da!
These statues are amazing. One thing slightly off, though. I'm actually taller than Ladybug.
Ladybug didn't show up. I just wanted to express my adoration for her. Let her know that everything I had went into her statue. I'm sure if she took a little time to get to know me, she would see how much we have in common, our devotion to the things we love.
Hey, don't mean to burst your bubble, but you know, Ladybug and me, we're a thing, you know?
Really?
Yeah, we're like this.
What does Ladybug see in him?
They're coming. Forget the phone.
I haven't erased the message yet.
We're out of time, and we really ought to be getting to that ceremony. Come on.
That was rough.
A thing, huh? You don't even take love seriously, calling it a thing. You don't deserve her. I do!
Disappointed by Ladybug and jealous of Cat Noir, the perfect formula for disaster. Fly away, my little Akuma, and evilize him. Hello, Copycat. I'm Hawk Moth. Once you get rid of Cat Noir, you can take his place, and Ladybug will be yours forever.
The very thought of it makes me purr.